Today is Saturday and I have a class for today. I don't usually wake up at this early in Saturday because my class starts in 9 a.m. It's already 5:42 a.m. I need to take out my dog for a walk before I take ready to go to school. Hi guys, I am Marnet and let's get ready with me as a tourism student. I don't usually put some makeup on, but I'll try. The first one is this one, which is the sunscreen. I already prep my skin using my skincare, which is the Biotin. Don't mind the background music. It's just that I need music to function. This one, which is the Splash On from O2O, which is the best. I'm a third year college student at Pinmacarona University. Getting to know is going to blend it. After this is this one. It's concealer. It's Saturday and I only have 3 class, which is the MICE, the OU 055 and the OU 057. See how it blurred my skin from this to this. I'm done. Hi guys, I'm here at Pinnacle University and my first subject is English.
Hi.
Hi Annie,
Hi, shout out.
how was your experience?
So enjoyable right now and so relaxing. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
We're done with our class today. And we're going to...
Do you learn something new?
Yes.